In an unprecedented telecast, Manipur witnessed the biggest ever live televised election.
2014 election
ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯗꯅ
हमारे माननीय रिपब्लिक को
third, fourth, five, मोय मुनजरसम.
The journey began with our reporters reporting live from different polling stations.
If there is any report of any
Our editors talking heart to heart with different political parties.
one family
We are very clear on that.
Yes,
because we stand.
majority was gathering them.
After successful coverage of inner and outer Manipur parliamentary elections, now Impact News brings you the first ever televised election results on 16 May 2014. Watch out which party comes to the power and who goes to the parliament. Impact News presents Election Results 2014.